CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1 question number 9. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, if tan A is equal to 1 by root 3, find the value of number 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Number 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Since it is a trigonometric problem, so first we have to draw a right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. So right angle will be at the point B. So suppose this is your B, this is your A, this is your C. So ABCA is a right angle triangle. So first we find out tan A is equal to given, what is given here? Tan A is equal to 1 by root 3. Again we know tan A, this is your tan A, this is angle A. So angle A, if this is your angle A, this is your base, this is your perpendicular. So we know that tan A is equal to perpendicular by base. So ratio of perpendicular is to base is equal to 1 is to root 3. So let perpendicular is equal to 1x and base is equal to root 3x. According to Pythagoras theorem, we know that hypotenuse square is equal to what? Perpendicular plus base square. So put the value. This is 1x, x square plus base is equal to root 3 x whole square. That is x square plus 3x square. That is 4x square. Or hypotenuse value what? Root over 4x square is equal to 2x. This is your hypotenuse is equal to 2x. This is your base is equal to root 3x. This is your perpendicular is equal to x unit. It may be centimeter, may be meter, anything else. X unit, 2x unit and root 3x unit. So now we will find out sin A. Sin A is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. The value of perpendicular is equal to x, value of hypotenuse is equal to 2x. That is half. Similarly, the value of cos A is equal to what? Cos A is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? Root 3x by hypotenuse is equal to 2x. X cancel out, that is root 3 by 2. What is the value of cos C? Cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse. If the angle is C, where C is here, then base will be, this is your base, this is your perpendicular, all other will be same, triangle will be same. So if you consider angle C, then base will be, this is your base, that is CB, and perpendicular will be BA. So in that case, cos C is equal to base by hypotenuse. What is the value of base? In that case, base is equal to x, hypotenuse is equal to 2x, is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, sin C is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. In that case, perpendicular is equal to root 3x by hypotenuse is equal to 2x. X cancel out, that is root 3 by 2. So now put the value of this is 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C is equal to, put the value. What is the value of sin A? That is half. What is the value of cos C? Cos C is equal to half. Plus, what is the value of cos A? Cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. What is the value of sin C? Sin C is equal to root 3 by 2. So 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So the value of sin A cos C plus cos A sin C will be 1. Now second problem, this is your second problem, cos A cos C minus sin A sin A. Just put the value of cos C. Here is the cos A, this is your cos A is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into cos C. Cos C, this is your cos C is equal to half. Minus sin A. Here is sin A, this is sin A is equal to half. This is your sin A is equal to half. Then sin C, here is sin C, this is sin C, root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. So this is equal to 0. The value, second value will be 0. So now question number 10. This is easily base easy sum. CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1 question number 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. So this is trigonometry. We know that trigonometry is basically used for right angle triangle. Trigonometry only applicable for right angle triangle. So first we draw a right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. Suppose this is your right angle triangle. Name A, B, C. Right angle at the point B. That is, this is your 90 degree. This is your angle A. So given 3 cot A is equal to 4, or cot A is equal to what? 4 by 3. We know that tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Here if this is your angle A, then base will be, this is your base, that is AB is equal to base, and BC is equal to perpendicular, and AC is equal to hypotenuse. Okay, so here cot A is equal to 4 by 3. That means cot A is equal to base by perpendicular. That is, base is, ratio of base is to perpendicular is equal to what? 4 is to 3. So we cannot say base is equal to 4 and perpendicular is equal to 3. That is, base is not equal to 4 and perpendicular is not equal to 3. The ratio of base and perpendicular is equal to 4 is to 3. Let base is equal to 4x and perpendicular is equal to 3x. So according to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse is equal to perpendicular plus base square. So put the value of perpendicular is equal to 3x square square, base is equal to what? Base is equal to 4x square is equal to 9x square plus 16x square is equal to what? Is equal to 25x square, or hypotenuse is equal to what? Root over 25x square is equal to 5x. If the ratio is 4:5, we cannot say base is equal to 4, perpendicular is equal to 3. We will, in order to find out the common factor, let the common factor be x. So hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular plus base square. So here common factor is x. So hypotenuse is equal to what? 5x. Base is equal to what? Base is equal to 4x, and perpendicular is equal to what? That is 3x. Now we find out what is tan theta. Tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. The value of perpendicular is equal to 3x. The value of base is equal to 4x. That is 3/4. Similarly, the value of cos theta will be cos theta. Cos theta means here theta is equal to a. This is your angle A. Cos is equal to base by hypotenuse. Put the value, base is equal to 4x, hypotenuse is equal to 5x. So x cancel out, that is 4/5. That is cos A. That is sin A is equal to what? Sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Value of perpendicular is equal to 3x. Value of hypotenuse is equal to 5x is equal to 3/5. So let us check. Left hand side is equal to what? 1 minus tan square A by 1 plus tan square A. Put the value 1 minus tan square A. This is your tan square theta, that will be A is equal to 3/4. That is 3/4 square plus 1 plus 3/4 square is equal to 16. 16 minus 9 y 16 plus 9. 16 cancel out is equal to 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay, so left hand side is equal to 7/25. So what is the value of right hand side? Right hand side is equal to what? This is your right hand side, this is your left hand side. Left hand side, this is your left hand side, this is your right hand side. Right hand side is equal to what? Cos square A minus sin square A is equal to cos A is equal to what? 4/5. This is your 4/5. Sin A is equal to what? Minus sin A is equal to 3/5. 3/5. Sin A is equal to 3/5. So this is square here. This is square here. Is equal to what? 16/5 minus 16/25 by 9/25. 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 3 square 9, 5 square is equal to 25. LCM 25, that is 16 minus 9 is equal to what? 7/25. is equal to left hand side. So it is left hand side is equal to right hand side, that is 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a is true. That is true. This is question number 8. Now question number 9. CBSE class 10 exercise 8.1. Question number 5. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratio. All other trigonometric ratio means sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosec theta, like this. So this is trigonometry applicable only for right angle triangle. So first we draw a right angle triangle. This is your right angle triangle. Suppose right angle at the point, suppose this is your A, B, C triangle, right angle at the point B. This angle is equal to suppose theta. So here given sec theta is equal to what? 13 by 12. We know that cos theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse. This is, if this is your theta, then this is your base, this is your perpendicular, and this is your hypotenuse. So here base is equal to sec theta is equal to what? Hypotenuse by base. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse, that is what sec theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. So ratio of hypotenuse is to base is equal to 13 is to 12. Since the ratio is 13 is to 12, let hypotenuse is equal to 13x and base is equal to 12x. We cannot say hypotenuse is equal to 13 and base is equal to 12 because it is the ratio form. As we know that sun's age to father age is equal to, suppose the age of a son is equal to 15 and age of the father is equal to 45. What is the ratio? Here is common factor will be cancelled out, that is son's age to father is equal to 1 by 3, that is son's age to father is equal to 1 is to 3. That doesn't mean when son's age is 1, father's age is 3. It is the ratio form. Here common factor 15 will be cancelled out. Similarly, when hypotenuse and ratio of base is given, we cannot say hypotenuse is equal to 13, base is equal to 12. We have to find out the common factor. Here the common factor, let x. So hypotenuse is equal to 13x and base is equal to 12x. So according to Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus perpendicular square. Put the value, hypotenuse is equal to 13x square plus base is equal to 12x square plus b square, perpendicular square, or perpendicular square is equal to 13 x square minus 12 x square is equal to 169 x square. 13 x square is equal to 169 x square minus 144 x square, that is 25 x square, or perpendicular is equal to 5x. So here we can write hypotenuse perpendicular is equal to 5x, hypotenuse is equal to what? 13x. and base is equal to what? Base is equal to 12x. Here we know that cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Put the value base is equal to what? Base is equal to 12x and hypotenuse is equal to 13x. That is equal to 12 by 30. So another sin theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Here put the value of perpendicular 5x and hypotenuse is equal to 13x is equal to 5 by 30. Similarly, tan theta is equal to what? Perpendicular by base. Put the value perpendicular is equal to 5x and base is equal to 12x is equal to 5 by 12. So cot theta is equal to what? Just reciprocal of tan theta, that is 12 by 5, and cosec theta is equal to what? Just reciprocal of sin theta, that is 13 by 5. Here just reciprocal 13 by 12. Okay. Or 5 by 13, 13 by 12. So we can find out all the trigonometric ratios, sin theta, tan theta, cot theta. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, already 6 is given. In this way you can easily find out this sum, what is the value of sec theta, cos theta, tan theta, etc. Okay.